Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala nabiyyihi Muhammad Sayyidil Mursaleen wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'een. Dear audience, today I will shed some light on the subject that Islam brought about the educational revolution in the world. Nowadays, education is considered to be a gift of this modern age, but in fact, it is only Islam which laid down the foundation of education and took it to unprecedented heights. It is an established truth that Islam has not only laid much emphasis on education, rather it is the messenger of knowledge and leader of an educational revolution. Other civilizations put education in the category of necessities of life, but Islam regarded it the utmost necessity of each human being. Dear audience, unlike other religions and civilizations, Islam termed education as basic right of every individual in the society. The Greece and China made extraordinary progress in the field of education and art. But they also didn't favor the education for all. Plato has also dreamed of democracy and equality, but he also couldn't go beyond the education for some particular segments of the society. In India, which once was the center of education and art, a lower caste person was not even allowed to hear the Vedic scriptures. None can deny the glory of Nalanda and Taxila universities. But after all, the fact is that the common people were always deprived of education in Hindu periods. Education was only monopoly of higher classes of the society. Dear audience, when the sun of Islam was enlightening the world, Europe was passing through dark ages of history. The scientists, artists, and men of learning were tortured, and sometimes even they were tortured to death. Similarly, ignorance was prevailing all over Arabia. There was neither a school nor a college or library. Quraysh, the head of all tribes in Arabia, had only 17 persons who knew writing. In 570 AD, when the sun of Islam rose from the horizon of Arabian Peninsula in its flushed blaze, the entire world was shrouded by darkness and steeped in long slumber. The first slogan that Islam chanted this horrible atmosphere was about education. The earliest verses of Quran invited people to education. اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم. Here I conclude my speech and pray Allah to grant us right path and right knowledge.